So in this video, we are required to simplify this algebraic expression. So to be able to simplify this, what we need to do is that we apply the law of indices, okay? So for instance, if you have a raised to the power of m, so this is a recall basically. Then raised to power n, like I said in previous video, that would be a raised to power what? M times n, which is a raised to power mn. So that implies that we have to distribute this 3 to each of these terms, including 3. So if I want to rewrite this expression, I can write it as 3 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by a raised to the power 2, then everything raised to the power of 3, multiplied by b raised to the power 3, multiplied by c raised to the power 3, then everything raised to the power 3, then everything over 2 raised to the power of 3, multiplied by a raised to the power of 3, multiplied by b raised to the power 2, then everything raised to the power of what? 3, okay? So following this same law, then we can say this will return 3 raised to the power 3. That's 3 times 3 times 3. That is what? 27. So we have 27 times a raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3. That's 2 times 3. That is 6. So that will be a raised to the power 6. Multiplied by b raised to the power 3. Multiplied by 3 times 3, 9. That's c raised to the power of 9. Then everything divided by 2 raised to the power 3. That's 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. What I mean is 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. Okay. So that will give us what? 8. Then times a raised to the power 3. Then times 2 times 3 is 6. So b raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3 is b raised to the power what? 6. Okay. So with this understanding, we can split each of the term. We split the number separately and the letters that are of like term. So we can write as 27 over 8 multiplied by a raised to power 6 over a raised to power 3. So numbers to number, letters to letters, and of course those letters must be like terms. Then times b raised to power 3 over b raised to power what? 6. Then multiply by c raised to power 9. Alright, so from the laws of indices, if you have a raised to the power of m, so this is a recall. A raised to the power m over a raised to the power n, that will give you a raised to the power m minus n. So in that case, this one we can still continue to write 27 over 8, right, times a raised to the power 6 minus 3, the same base, so you subtract the power of the denominator from the numerator, times b raised to the power 3 minus 6, okay, then times c raised to the power what? 9. So at the end of it, what we are going to be, so we have been able to simplify it. So this will give us 27 over 8 multiplied by a raised to the power 6 minus 3, that is 3, multiplied by b raised to the power minus 3. 3 minus 6 will give us minus 3, by c raised to the power 9. But I want us to understand something. This has been simplified, but we can still make it better. You need to recall also that what? A raised to the power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 over a raised to the power 1, which is the same thing as 1 over a. So this can still be written as 27 over 8, right, multiplied by a raised to the power 3. This one, b raised to the power minus 3, will now be 1 over b raised to the power 3, following this law. Then times c raised to the power 9. So finally, our final answer will now be equal to what? 27. You multiply numerators, a raised to the power 3, and c raised to the power 9 over what? 8b raised to the power 3. I want to believe that this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.